Today, we are delving into the world of IT related frameworks, exploring what they are and how they help organizations to manage their IT processes, services, and security. These frameworks are valuable tools for businesses striving to excel in digital age. COBIT. COBIT stands for Control Objective for Information and Related Technology. COBIT is a comprehensive framework developed by ISACA. It provides a set of best practices for IT management and governance. COBIT's primary focus is on aligning IT with business goals, ensuring risk management, and delivering value through effective IT governance. ITIL. ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. ITIL is a globally recognized framework that focuses on IT service management, or ITSM. It provides a structured approach to planning, delivering, and managing IT services. ITIL helps organizations to streamline the processes, improve service quality, and enhance customer satisfaction. ISO IEC 27001, or Information Security Management System. ISO IEC 27001 is an international standard for information security management systems. It outlines the requirement for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an organization's information security. Compliance with ISO IEC 27001 demonstrate a commitment to data security. Then we have NIST, a cybersecurity framework developed by National Institute of Standards and Technology. This framework provides guidelines for organizations to manage and reduce cybersecurity risk. It helps organizations to identify, protect, detect, respond to, and recover from cybersecurity threats. TOGAF, or TOGAF stands for the Open Group Architecture Framework. TOGAF is an enterprise architecture methodology and framework. It assists organizations in designing, planning, implementing, and governing their enterprise architecture. TOGAF helps align IT with business goals and improve overall organizational efficiency. ISO IEC 20000, Service Management System for IT. ISO IEC 20000 is a global standard for IT service management. It outlines the requirement for delivering high quality IT services efficiently. Compliance with ISO IEC 20000 demonstrate a commitment to service excellence and customer satisfaction. PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge. While not exclusively an IT framework, PMBOK is a widely used guide for project management. It provides a structured approach to project planning, execution, and control. Effective project management is crucial for successful IT initiatives. DevOps. DevOps is a culture and technical movement that emphasizes on collaboration and communication between the software development and IT operations team. It aims to automate and streamline the software delivery process, accelerating innovation and enhancing the reliability. Agile and Scrum. Agile and Scrum are the methodologies for software development that prioritize flexibility and customer collaboration. They break projects into smaller, manageable increments and promote iterative development, ensuring that IT solutions better meet evolving business needs. Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a data driven methodology for process improvement. While not IT specific, it can be applied to IT processes to reduce defects and enhance efficiency. Six Sigma aims to achieve near perfect performance through statistical analysis and processes optimization. These IT-related frameworks and methodologies offers organizations a roadmap for achieving excellence in IT management, governance, security, and service delivery. Depending on an organization's goal and needs, they can also choose frameworks that best align with their objective.